Hello,
Hi, good morning. How are you doing?
good morning. I'm doing amazing. How are you?
I'm doing great as well. Thank you for asking. Just a little bit off with my voice, I guess, because of the weather change.
How's the weather there?
It is at times it's sunny, at times it's raining, so it's a very fluctuating weather.
Okay, it's raining and it's
Yeah, like in the morning, if it's sunny, by the evening, it
oh.
gets a little bit cloudy. It's very, you have nice wind and all, and then it's raining also.
So what part you're liking? Like it's sunny or rainy one?
I actually I was a person before I used to love the sun, okay. But right now it's so hot, and I myself is feeling so hot that I actually want the rain to come back again.
Right.
Exactly, yeah. So, anyways, I guess we've met the last time we met. Like you were kind of very tired, right?
Yes, I think on last Saturday only we had a session and yes, I was a bit tired. I was about to sleep and today I am that is the reason I booked the session in the morning today.
Okay, okay, all right,
Yes.
that's nice. Anyways, so what do you want to do? Do you want to talk on the topic? Do you want to have a general conversation? What is it?
We can talk about topic also. I think it is about colors and something I haven't thought about before.
Okay, okay.
Colors.
Yeah, yeah. I also haven't done this topic. Okay, yeah. So, what is your favorite color?
Okay, so colors, there's nothing like I like this color a lot or I want everything of this color. Like I have seen some girls who like not even girls. I think I have seen a lot of people who like a particular color and they want everything of that color.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel
Obsessed
it's
with the
too.
color. Very
I don't know
obsessed
how.
with the color.
Yeah, with me, it's nothing like that. But yes, if when it comes to favoritism, I like one color a lot. Like purple color. Yeah, I like that color. I feel it's decent and it's quite impressive. So
Uh,
yeah,
like the light shade of purple or the dark shade of purple?
I like light shade of purple.
Shade of purple. Okay, okay, all right. And so, what kind of role is the color playing in your life currently? What is color according to you?
I think color, according to me, is first thing I came in my mind is Holi when I saw the topic color. I think it is somewhere related to Holi,
Yeah,
but I think it is not just about Holi. Colors means in everyday life how you are giving importance to colors or how you are, yeah.
exactly.
So
Even
it's about day to day life.
like a color can actually affect your mood. Like if it's a soothing color, you'll have a very good mood. And if it's if the color is kind of dull and offbeat for you, then you will feel like you won't feel nice.
Yeah, and I think color reflects a lot on your face also. Like recently, 2 days back, I went for shopping to buy a sari for one of my friend's wedding, and I tried sky blue color on me. So my
And
friend was telling,
I liked it, I'm sure.
yeah, my friend was telling that it is reflecting on your face all over. So, which means it suits you a lot. So, you should go with this one only. So, and what I have personally experienced is when I wear, this yellow color, it reflects on my face. So, I think it is with everybody when it comes to yellow color.
Exactly, I'll tell you. So when you wear white color dress or white color t-shirt or anything, you will automatically feel like you look a little bit fair. You look a little bit, your skin tone changes. It becomes a little fair. Okay. And then if you wear red, brown, these things are okay. But it kind of like it's offsetting. You have to do your look like to make it
Okay.
yeah.
But I think on the contrary, what I think is when you wear black, your skin also, because it is opposite to, okay, so I have brown skin. So black color is somewhere like not opposite, but it complements my skin well. So I think it all black also goes with everyone.
Okay, okay. I guess
Having
you
said
know,
that,
I
when I
love
was
black. Black is one of my very favorite color. Okay, but like you know, I prefer like I also like white, and I feel like white looks better on me. So it's kind of like you know, it depends on the skin tone you have. Yeah,
right.
exactly. So I have a tan skin. Okay, like I have a little bit yellowish tan skin.
Okay.
Yeah. So for that, I guess yellow makes it look a little like whitish. Sorry, white look makes it look a little whitish.
White. Yeah, yeah. Right.
Exact. So
But
anyway, even
uh,
like the color of the day, like you know, if it's bright sunny day, it's very I feel very happy. But if it's like you know dull day, if it's like cloudy, not raining, like you know, it made me very it is very depressing for me. But like now the summers, I actually want the cloud. It's something.
but I think there's a huge difference between sunny day and summer. You may like sunny day, but you will not like a hot and like that uh, scrouching heat.
Scorching,
Right.
scorching.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
scorching.
yeah, but the thing is, like you know, in summers, if it's bright sunny, it will be hot. Like
Yeah, exactly.
and it depends on the amount of heat you're getting. So if it's a bright sunny day now, as the global warming is affecting, like the sun, the amount of heat we get is a lot.
Right.
I haven't faced this thing in my previous years ever. Like you know, this kind of heat and like summers.
I think I'm very much used to it because since Nagpur is the hottest, Nagpur considers as the hottest city. So yeah, like I personally don't like summer a lot. I like rainy season and I like cloudy day, but you are more energetic or enthusiastic on sunny day when it compares to cloudy one. I can feel that. You feel lazy on cloudy day. You don't
Yeah,
feel like going anywhere. You just
exactly.
wanna stay
It's
at
like a
home
cozy
and
day. Yeah, it's a cozy day. You feel like just, you know, like lying on your bed with
huh.
watching web series and all. That's kind of a cloudy day for me. Also, I like going to the terrace. I like getting the wind. I like taking pictures of the clouds.
Right. Yes.
Exactly.
It
Yeah.
feels good.
Yeah. So like anyways, let me see what the next question we have. Do you think about colors when you buy clothes? Are you like very much conscious on the color while shopping?
Uh, so when I was a kid, I was a bit dark skin, I can say, like darker than this tone. So I would not buy black and white colors because everyone would say that it will not suit on my skin tone. So I think till my college days, I haven't wore black specially. And now when I think about it, I feel it's so stupid because it is not like that it will not suit your skin tone. It is all about how you carry the clothes.
Yes,
So of course I
exactly.
think about clothes now when I go for shopping, but I don't think that way, like it will not suit on my skin tone or anything. I will just think in a way that I already have this color, so I'm not gonna buy this. I'm going to go with some other color. I would like to experiment with the colors. So I mean, mentality is still the same. Like I think about the colors, but when
You
I
feel
was
like
a kid or
exploring a little
teenage,
bit.
it
Like
was
you feel,
different. Yeah, now it's different.
yeah, you feel like exploring a little and like, you know, maybe let's checking out what other things you have. Yeah,
Yeah, I think you should have all the colors in your wardrobe. It feels
exactly.
good.
Yeah, yeah. So you are basically born and brought up in Nagpur only, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay, okay.
I'm from
And
Nagpur, Maharashtra.
okay.
Uh-huh.
And did you visit any other cities, like apart from Nagpur?
The cities I have visited till now is Mumbai, Delhi. Uh, yeah, I think no, I haven't explored much because I'm not allowed to go out alone, of course. Like being
Yeah. Hashtag girl problem.
Indian parents. And yes, I went to Mysore also for my training purpose. So yes, I have covered Mysore as well,
Yeah.
but not much. I haven't even visited to Mumbai yet. I'm planning to, but let's see.
So all the trips which are done so far are with the family.
No, not really, not with family. Like Mysore was for my training purpose, so I went alone, and then I met friends there. That is a different thing. I went to Manali last year, from Delhi to Manali. So that was with my friends. I think with my family is also not so much into traveling and exploring cities. So no luck.
You like traveling yourself.
I like traveling myself, but I don't like the part that is traveling. I like to explore cities and the places, but I have motion sickness issue, so I don't like traveling via travels or buses.
Yes, yeah.
And recently, I have tried, mm, yeah, flight also. I didn't like that one as well. I don't know what's the issue with that. So I think I would love
Like,
traveling by train.
once you're there on the flight, you will not feel anything. You'll feel like it's just moving.
Yeah, I was having headache. I felt that everything is blocked and I wanted some fresh air. I don't know, but of course it was not possible. So I did not like that at all. Though it was just 1.5 hour journey, um, I didn't enjoy that much. So
Okay, yeah, definitely. I believe like for me, I like train journey, I like train journey because like train journey with comfort, of course. But I like it because I can see, such a beautiful scenery outside, and I can, that is very soothing to my eyes.
exactly. I mean, there are a lot of advantages comes with train journey. It is very comfortable. I personally feel good when I travel by train. You can look outside the window and you can enjoy the scenery outside. So yeah, all these things.
Actually, yeah. And apart from that, like if we talk about bus is something I hate the most because firstly, like bus is moving. While the bus is moving, like there are 50 other cars moving with the cars and buses. And I don't like the bus race. When buses have this habit of racing with another bus.
Oh yeah, yeah. I
I
feel
don't
it's
like that.
scary.
It is very scary for me. Like, no, since childhood, I've been hating this, but right now, like, I have stopped like getting on a bus only because of this thing.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
good. But I think there are some places where you have to go by bus only. There's no option of train or any other. Like it is a roadway only. Like so, you have to get a bus or car maybe.
exactly. So that's what I said. Like after the lockdown, like I got an excuse that I will not get on the bus, and I've continued that. And it's better I go in the cab or metro or maybe train, but not bus.
Okay, that's nice. Like you're
Yeah,
getting an options and you're not stuck
yeah,
anywhere.
exactly. Yeah. So, anyways, then I guess we've almost reached the time. So,
Yeah.
anything you want to share?
No, I think this session is more like way more interacting than the last one.
Yeah,
And now I have realized that you must have failed. I was sleepy, and that's why you told me like let's have another session so that we
no,
can
no,
have
no.
more
I told you because it's like it's always nice to have sessions again and again.
fun. Right.
Yeah,
And I think I have a face where everything reflects whether I'm sleepy or I'm upset or I'm happy. I don't need to
yeah,
say it all the time. It just reflects on my face.
yeah. It is
So
like a fill in the blank, but the blank is always filled with something.
Right.
Exactly.
It's really nice like having session with you again.
Thank you so much. Yeah, same here. Like I also enjoyed the session, and previous session you were sleepy a little, but I enjoyed the session because we had a good conversation,
Right,
and it
right.
feel like we are having our first session.
Yes.
Okay, okay. I'm so sorry. Like that's my cat. So
No, no,
anyway,
it's
yeah. So
anyways, we are at the end of the session. Yeah.
yeah. So you're a good speaker, I guess. I guess the only problem you have is with the grammar. A little bit of grammar is a little, up in there somewhere, but you're a wonderful speaker and very cheerful person as well. So I believe that, the more you practice and you're into practicing, and I can feel that, because I guess I've seen your videos in YouTube, right?
Mm-hmm.
Your videos. So you are very interactive, and that's the best part about you. Okay. So like a little grammar portion could be improved, but other than that, you're perfect the way you are.
Sure, I'll definitely work on my grammar things and I'm working on it already. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for the feedback. Yeah.
Thank you so much for having my session, and have a wonderful day ahead.
Wish you the same. Bye bye. Happy
All right.
weekend.
Bye. Happy weekend. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.